Welcome to King Cole. This is just to give a short tutorial for you on the Fuddy Yummy, which is one we brought out a little while ago, and we've been getting a few requests of people not just sure how to knit it. So this is hopefully will just clarify that for you. So it's this lovely bobbly yarn that we've been using mainly on toys recently. So I've got some fairly chunky needles. Obviously you would need to use whatever's in the pattern that you've got. And you cast on in the normal way. So I do a slip knot. Now just bear in mind this stuff doesn't really slip because of the little loops. So you have to kind of feed it along your needle. And I do the 2 needle cast on, which is where you wrap your yarn around and then feed it onto the left hand needle. So wrap in the same way that you would knit and feed it on. As I say, with this one you haven't got a lot of pull to it, it doesn't run smoothly. So you don't want to be having to pull your yarn backwards and forwards too much. So I'm going to put just a few stitches on and then show you some basic knitting. You don't want to go into the loops, so don't go in like that. You need to actually go into the loop that you are creating. So that's in there. Okay, I'll stop there. We've got a few stitches on the needle. Then I'm now going to actually knit a row. So you wrap as normal, pull it through and off the end. You can't knit very quickly with this one. You will get a little bit of a flow to it. But again, in, wrap, pull it back through, just nice and gently with the yarn, don't rive at it. So you can just loop it over but flick that back off. So if you end up with one of the little bobbly loops on your needle, just slip it off, you won't lose your stitch. Round, through, round, through. And we were using these for the lovely Yummy sheep, which people have been really liking. I'll just do you one more row and hopefully, so wrap and through, wrap it through, off. So you are just doing a standard UK knit stitch. And round and through, and you can see already you're just getting a nice lumpy version that makes beautiful little shape.